So it's the beginning of 2025, and you're probably looking at me right now like, did you really buy a giant Farmer Jack sign from your local auction place? Yes, I did. It was $5. Well, more on that at the end of this video, but I figured it was the perfect time to bring it out because being that it's the beginning of the year, it's time to get our seed starting area set up. So come along with me as we get rid of some of the clutter and prepare to start growing some plants. So once we moved all of our plants out of this little breezeway area for the outdoor growing season, these shelves just became kind of a catch-all. So we need to clear things out because we're going to be using all of these shelves. Huh, beekeeper suit. All right. We haven't actually used the beekeeper suit yet, but we found it at a garage sale for like $20 and figured it was worth having on hand. Now that we have our shelves cleared, we can start adjusting the lighting. Last year we only had one of these lights per shelf, and it caused some of our plants to get super leggy or to start growing on weird angles and just doing things that weren't healthy for the plants. So this year we're upgrading to 2 lights per shelf. We're just using basic clamp-on work lights, which were $6 a piece, and we're pairing that with LED grow bulbs, which came in a 2-pack for $4. Having the 2 lights per shelf seems to cover the entire seed start area, so I'm confident that this is going to work well for this year's seed starts. Up next, we're going to be sterilizing all of our seed starting trays and any tools we're going to be using throughout the process. Start by giving everything a good rinse just to remove any dirt and debris, and then we're going to spray everything down with a diluted bleach solution. Let the solution sit for 1 minute and then rinse everything well. Once everything is thoroughly rinsed, your seed starting trays and your tools will be ready to use. Alright, so now we're at the part of the video that you've really been waiting for. What's the backstory on the Farmer Jack sign? So when I was 15, my first job was at Farmer Jack. And after a couple years of working there, I made my way up to the produce department. And then once they started this whole We're Thinking Fresh campaign, they had this commercial that played over the airwaves at the store every 10 minutes. And I just happened to memorize it. Okay, pop quiz. What color is the inside of a red pear? What's the flavor difference between a papaya and a mango? What's a pluot and how does it taste? Give up? Well, head to our produce department and see for yourself. We'll be happy to give you a taste sample of whatever you'd like. Just ask us. It's our way of making sure you'll be satisfied, and your way of getting a little more adventurous with your fruits. Try it before you buy it. Now in our produce department. Another way we're thinking fresh.